And they're off. Early lead is taken by Chinoy from the outside. Tayuman by the rail. High earnings, Princess Jalik, and Unica Champ. And heading for the backstretch, Tayuman in the lead by 3.5 lengths. Chinoy riding in second, Princess Jalik, and high earnings on the outside. Moving up by the rail is Unica Champ. Into the backstretch, it is still Tayuman, lengthening now by 4 lengths, followed by Chinoy in second, Princess Jalik running in third, and by the rail number 5, High Earnings and Unica Champ. And nearing the mid backstretch, it is still Tayuman by 2.5 lengths, followed by Chinoy in second, Princess Jalik moving up on the inside, High Earnings, Unica Champ. Nearing the far turn, it is still Tayuman. It's Tayuman in the lead by 2.5 lengths, followed by Chinoy on the outside, and Princess Jalik remains in third. High Earnings and Unica Champ. Rounding the far turn, there is still Tayuman, lengthening once again by 4 lengths, followed by Chinoy in second. Princess Jalik, High Earnings, and moving up now is Unica Champ. The last bend for home, it is still Tayuman. It's Tayuman, lengthening now by almost 6 lengths, followed by Chinoy in second, and High Earnings moving up on the inside. Unica Champ on the further outside. At the top of the stretch, it is still the outstanding favorite, Tayuman. It's Tayuman, followed by Chinoy, High Earnings, Unica Champ moving up on the further outside. Nearing the payoff line, it is still Tayuman, followed now by Unica Champ and Chinoy, High Earnings, Princess Jalik. Finally, it's a cinch for Tayuman, Unica Champ, Chinoy, High Earnings, Princess Jalik.
Napakalayong nanalo nun.